I'm Sandy with Bus Livin'. This is the Enterprise. I'm also with Bus Conversion Magazine. I'm the admin of the company. You want to take a tour of the bus? We can show you inside. So here's the living area. This turns to the side. Captain's seat comes back up. Co-pilot's chair. We got the kids' play area. The car seat comes out, goes upside down over the driver's seat, so he has all this area usually. Got the girls' bunk. Got the boys' bunk down here. This is all storage under here. Storage here, storage under these seats here. The 14-year-old made all these cushions. The table folds down into a bed, so we can sleep another person or two. Wood stove. We're separating out our trash here, so we got a burn pile going. Kitchen counter.
I found that wood stoves and showers tend to be, if you're not actually using them, they tend to be collection points for stuff.
Yeah, you'll see the shower too. It's just like that. So, kitchen counter. This is the second try. First time we did epoxy. First time we did polyurethane. And so anytime anybody left anything wet on the counter, it made a big spot. So this is epoxy. We got a gas stove, oven. All the storage we really need. We don't really store too much more. It's all the food. There's one thing for dishes. All the dishes fit in that one spot. Full apartment fridge. When we're on the road, we just use an ice cooler right now. Solar can't really keep up with this. Not what we have. We don't have enough batteries.
How much solar do you have?
What do we have? 600 watts?
600 watts.
600 watt panels, 4 batteries. So we need some more batteries, and then we can run it. This is a magnetic chalkboard. We made it, we closed out some of the windows, so this is extra. We just made a little chalkboard so we could keep track of things, the GPS coordinates, so I could get them out.
Nice.
And then the bathroom can be separated. These are refurbished closet doors. We just chopped them up so you can close off the whole bathroom area there. And there's 2 sets, so you can close off the bedroom too. Got black water, toilet, and then full shower. We don't really use this when we're desert parked, so yes, it's storage. I got a king size bed, and it lifts up, and we have all of our solar charger, all the batteries underneath there. You can get to everything through this side emergency door here, so if it needs to get worked on. And that's our bedroom area. Still have the original roof hatches.
Was that a fan in the hatch?
Yeah. Yeah.
That's rare.
Yeah, it's loud. I don't think it does much.
No?
No. Doesn't feel like it really, but
It's probably just there to get the stench of children out.
most likely.
Yeah, really.
Yeah. So, yeah.
Well, thank you.
It. Yeah. Yeah.
Hope you enjoyed that video. And remember, there'll be another one next Saturday. So please tell your friends and hit the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up if you liked it. All right. See you next time, YouTube. Bye.